Kia ora whānau, my name is John Junior Panatahi Furman. And I'll be teaching you about physical distancing. Did you just say the plane was dumb?
Yeah, because it's making too much noise for us.
Oh yeah, the dumb plane! If you're around lots of people, maybe if you're at a supermarket, there's one rule that you need to know, and that's physical distancing. 2 meters! Hey, checkers! You guys are too close! 2 meters, remember guys? Oi, bro, 2 meters! Oi, boy, too close, you're too close! I got my eyes on you, boy. Physical distancing, it's easy as, and it helps us to fight against COVID-19. Piki te ora, whānau.